Edo governorship election don't come and it don't go. Kili no day. Mr. Governor and in deputy don't collect their certificate of return. And I don't still do ogbonge Thanksgiving with churches for Edo State. We all of them for thank Baba God on top PDP victory. Since we them announced Governor Obaseki re-election, we never hear say any member of the opposition party wey follow and contest don't congratulate am. And now this one come make TMC TV news crew carry waka enter street to come ask Edo people the advice wey them get for the members of the opposition party, whether make them accept Governor Obaseki re-election or be make them reject am.
What we just see for the election be say the person will win, make it nothing that God and do am for am. Then the person will lose, make it accept our faith, make it join the governor will win, make them move Edo forward.
As we dey here now, we no go fit judge. So any one of the candidates when no say the matter, e no be as e be so, and e get fact, make it go to court.
Who don't win, don't win. You don't understand? You don't get what we go do. That's why when they say we won't carry the matter go court, even if we go court, who won't win? Now go see win. God don't see heart. So may we live, may we dey pray for am so that God, the thing wey dey heart, may he do am and may he do am well.
All from the onset, we know say na PDP na go win. Win the election, you can't say you are go court. Even during the campaign, APC they dey intimidated. So I don't see any reason it to be useless, baseless to go court. Because even if you go court, you go still win. So there's no need going to the court.
The winner don already dey. So there's no need to go to court. My own advice is that they should just come together as brother. Already they are brother before.
Obaseki already winner. Nothing will go do whether you go court 100 years old. The ball dey for PDP hand now. So Shobole should forget about it.
So may they just leave the matter like that. He don't win. The only thing now may just do work for us.
This election they do so now free and fair. If it's there, Yamu want go court. Now INEC want carry go court, not be Obaseki, because they know say the election INEC do their best.
To me, I feel say the matter don't settle.
Okay.
Edo State people voted Obaseki, and they wanted him to win. If you check the margin of the vote, the difference is much. So it means that majority of Edo State citizens wanted Obaseki to be their governor.
Now God talk and say Obaseki go win this time. So I will advise everybody, both those who lose, may they happy with them, may they congratulate them, because everything gets its time.
I just want make them just settle down things, because whether we like them or not, this is the first election we will do for Edo State. When you say people come outside, can't really vote waiting they want. Now the heart of the people, every street where you they enter, everybody they whether I don't speak Benin, but I know say they hear Ogbane everywhere where they go. I don't even answer what be the minute they say it don't complete. So where we live me myself as a personal person, that South Innovation Hub where I see where that man do, they go there, they benefit from there. The man, everybody get in own time and season. The man they work. Most still let and just work the work where it start finish. We will be youths now understand the effect of what the man don't do, because that innovation of many like people like me and my husband, we don't really benefit, learn a lot of things from different people where this man bring for around the country come. Not everybody they think like that.
And for as many people when he run for this election, no matter the platform where they for run, when he not win, when he think say the election they not doing well, when he think say one issue or the other happened during the election, and they never still they settle with the matter, and they can't they feel like say they want go court, make them go. Court now the last hope of the common man. As they reach there, they go look into the matter, and if waiting that they complain about become say it not really go the way when then they talk am, court go come rule either in their favor or also come rule against them. And after all of that, then themselves come to the conclusion say yes, the election they do well after court don't talk their own. Because election are two dimensions. If people don't do their own, judiciary also will come look at me the eye of the law. Will come talk say yes, it go well as people talk am, it also go well as the law talk am. If it go well in the way of the people and it not go well in the way of the law, and at the end of the day, law now be the last hope of those when still they feel say the election they're not doing well.
We don't follow elderly men and women yan. Youth cells don't too shook mouth with for the matter. Them yan say even though say opposition party members carry this election matter go court, them no go win am. Sake of saying not just get head. Them talk say you no get anything where them still want drag. On top election where they free and fair. And even this victory where they talk so, now God by himself, Sama Obaseki. This one are the ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Edo people don yarn say make opposition party members of the September 19 governorship election wey shele for Edo State fully accept Obaseki re-election sake of say e dey free and fair and na God give am. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate dey come sama una. My name na Oiza Aboriogun.